Today's video, I'm going to be planting my strawberries in a 5-gallon bucket that I got from a home goods store that I paid $3.99 for. And when I was looking at potting plants, plant pots for strawberries with the same material, they were $29.99. So I think I got a steal. So I'm going to plant some back porch strawberries so that I'm able to harvest later to make strawberry jam. And yeah, let's do this today. Some back porch strawberry planting. These are the supplies that I'll be using today, which is some easy straw seeding mulch to put over once I have my seedlings in. My husband drilled holes in the bucket and put some rocks down there for me for good drainage and so that they have places to root. And then I'm going to be using this awesome organic garden soil. It is so rich, so dark. It's the best soil for vegetables ever, in my opinion. Here is my $3.99 bucket that I didn't pay $29.99 for. Same plastic material and everything. I think I got a steal. Here are my strawberry plants. I'm going to be planting 3 in my 5-gallon bucket. I think that's great for the space that I have because they will branch out. They're one of those branching out kind of fruits. So the first thing I'm going to do is, of course, get my potting soil in my 5-gallon bucket there, which that was a 75-pound bag. And I did struggle with it just a little bit, but I still won in the end. And then I'm just going to break it all up. That soil, look at how black and rich and wonderful it is. I think though, look at my hands, I love it. I'm going to be ordering myself some worms off of Amazon because that's the only thing that this little bucket is missing is some worms. That's the only problem I see in doing raised garden beds. Other than that, they work out great. So let's get my strawberries planted in that deep, rich, dark soil. I forgot to put my Vigoro in before I planted my first strawberry, but I remembered after, and it's just little pellets that'll feed my strawberries here for a good 4 to 6 weeks before I'll have to feed them again. And once you put the pellets in, you just mulch it all up, mix it all up really, really good into that deep, dark soil, and you are good to go, and you will make sure you have some healthy, vigorous, as they put it, strawberries. I'm now going to put a pretty thick layer of the straw down, and I learned through many YouTubers and many homesteaders that this straw will really aid in raised garden bed gardening because it'll keep the birds from being in there, it'll keep weeds from growing, and it also locks in the moisture for a longer extended time so that the sun doesn't directly beat on your soil and dry it out. So they really, really say that this straw is like a must-have when you're doing raised garden beds. So this is my first time ever using it, so I'm excited to see the difference. So I really hope it does everything they say it will, and it was fun to do. So I got my strawberries in. I am so excited to have fresh strawberries. I know this was just a quick, simple video, but really and truly, it's the simple things in life that really make me happy. And as you can tell, it is an absolute beautiful day, and I am so excited to be outside and digging in the dirt and getting my hands and fingernails dirty. It makes me very, very happy. So my next thing to plant on my porch is my herbs. I have basil and parsley and cilantro, and I have the bucket, but I ran out of soil. So I'm going to have to take a trip into town to get more soil, but I'm going to show you the bucket because this is where my herbs are going to go. So that is going to be my herb bucket. As you can see, there is some soil in there, but it's not enough. I need some fresh. And then of course I'll add some of that Vigoro on top and mulch all that up. But I want to get, I'll show you here. My herbs, oh, they're over here. See, I have my cilantro and parsley and basil. I have them outside hardening in the sun, but I want to get some of them in. I also have my marigolds and, oh goodness, what were these? Pansies, I believe. These are pansies. And I already have the little buckets for these. I'm going to put these in different places on my porch. Again, I just need more soil, but I already have the planters for them. They're really pretty. I got them from the Dollar Tree. So I have to get my herbs in my big bucket and then get my little marigolds and pansies in my little Dollar Tree buckets. But I need more soil. But that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for joining me. Just a simple, fun video planting strawberries. I keep saying this in almost every video because it really is my mantra to life right now until things get back to normal, is I'm just trying to find adventure in everyday living, in the simple, simplistic things, and a cloudless, beautiful, sky blue wander with a slight breeze and that warm sun on my face and my hands in the dirt just make all the difference. But anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this. Be blessed. Find adventure in the small things. Have a wonderful day. I love you. As always, do what you love and do it large. Until next time, guys. Bye.